A DJ the other day asked me, do you take credit cards? Should I take credit cards? Do you do digital payments? Should I be doing that? Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the Little Dog and Pony Show. Thanks again to my sponsors and DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals, Promo Only, Electro Voice, Disc Jockey News, and of course my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So, good question, right? Do you take credit cards? Do you take digital payments? If you're not, you're missing out. It is well past the digital age, my friend. And if you are only taking checks and cash, then you're going to have a lot of customers that look funny at you. They're going to wonder if you're too old-fashioned to be able to help them to do their job. Everybody takes credit cards. Everybody. Why aren't you? Well, it may be because I don't want to deal with the fees. Okay, so that guy said to me, I think I should charge my customer for those fees. What do you think? Do you charge when you take credit cards, Bill, for fees? Well, no. No, I don't. But yes, I do. But no, I don't. But yes, I do. And this is let me tell you what I mean by that. You ever been to a restaurant and had a nice meal, and then the bill comes, and then you see the amount of money you paid for your hamburger and your pop, and then underneath that you've got taxes, and underneath that you've got a service charge. What's that? And then under that you've got credit card fee. What is that? Wasn't on the menu. Nobody told me about that. Well, that's an expense that we have, so we're just passing that expense on to you. So we're being sure that you see that, and we're putting it on the card, so we're being transparent. No, you're not. You didn't tell me that when I sat down. You didn't. And if I saw a credit card fee on a bill, I get mad, right? I would rather them raise their prices and deal with it that way. Just raise your prices. Okay, raise your prices to be able to take care of these extra fees. I don't care that your expenses went up. It went up for everybody. Okay, my heating bill went up, and my house payments went up, and all of my expenses went up. I expect that the restaurant's expenses went up. Hiding those things from me makes it that feel like that you're taking advantage of me, that you're lying to me, that you're baiting and switching me. And you might think that a small credit card fee is not a big thing, but your client, you got to see it from the client's perspective, and the client doesn't need to see it from yours. So do I charge for credit card fees? Yeah. As soon as I started credit cards, I knew that I was going to be charged anywhere between 2.5% to 5.5%. So I upped my rates across the board, 5.5%, right? Which takes care of it. Okay. This is my fee now. They don't need to know how I break down my expenses. They don't care. But when you put it on the thing afterwards to say, oh, you used a credit card, so I'm going to penalize you, that's ridiculous. And in fact, they don't like that. And your customers will think twice about it. And if you're not taking credit cards and they got to find a check, most of your clients go, a check? Oh, geez, I suppose I can go to the bank and find a check. Oh, and a contract? I got to print a contract? Well, I think my boss has a printer. Maybe I'll print that off at work. You seem like you don't look young. Your business doesn't look young. Okay, so you need to move with the way things are. I don't take credit cards means that you don't like money. Okay, that's fine. But even myself and my wife, who are not the young generation, okay, I don't have a checkbook anymore. Okay, I don't have cash around the house anymore. So the world has gone there. And I don't want to be charged for your expenses after the fact. So make your changes to your pricing because of your expenses. I would appreciate that. Because remember the last time that it happened to you at a restaurant, or remember the last time it happened to you at a hotel when you went to Vegas and you saw that resort fee? You know what that is? That's them trying to take care of the expense of having to have employees that want to be paid more money. I get it. Okay, I'm in business too, but I'm not in business of worrying about their business and expenses. Just raise the prices so I can make a choice of whether to go or not. Instead of at the end of the day when I paid $35 a night for a room and it looks like after service charges, I'm paying $150. That's a bait and switch. That shouldn't be right. It isn't right. And you got to look at things from your customer's perspective because your customer doesn't care. So make your adjustments, make your prices, and make it happen. And if you want to do it the other way. You're not hurting me. In fact, more than likely, they talk to you and they see that that you're going to charge them for an extra expense for a credit card, and I tell them that I don't. Who are they going to want to work with? What do you think? I hope I didn't upset you, but it is a reality, right? Write down your comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell and like and all that stuff. I'll see you next week on Creative License. Bye.